nature. I love my pavers.
Here we are in Escondido on a paver driveway we just finished. It's Orco Villa in Borrego color. And this homeowner just built this house here. It's like an ADU on her existing house. So this is gonna be an Airbnb income property for her. And she wanted something here to just kind of stand out. So we did a fancier entry for her. And then she didn't want to have any maintenance around her house, so we went ahead and put pavers all the way around. And initially she's going to spend more money, but in the long run she's going to save money because she's not going to have to maintain it. So you can see just a great look. This paver gives you like a nice, clean, contemporary look, but still gives you a lot of definition and pop in it. So much better decision than just regular gray, ugly concrete. And you know what? It'll never crack.